This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Charger airbag cover. Before starting, always prioritize safety. First, park your car on a level surface and ensure the ignition is completely off. Next, head to the trunk and disconnect both battery terminals, starting with the negative, then the positive. It's crucial to wait at least 10 to 30 minutes for any residual electrical charge to dissipate. Also, remember to wear safety goggles and gloves for protection. Now, let's get to removing the old airbag. You'll find two small access holes on the sides of your steering wheel. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully insert it into each hole to push in the retaining clips or springs. Once released, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. You'll see 3 or 4 electrical connectors. Disconnect these by lifting any orange tabs and then unplugging them. Remember their positions for reinstallation. Once the airbag module is safely out, it's time to swap the cover. The old cover is typically held in place by several clips around its perimeter. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver to pry these clips open, separating the old cover from the main airbag inflator unit. Now, take your new airbag cover and align it perfectly with the module. Apply firm, even pressure to snap the new cover into place, ensuring all the clips engage securely around the edges. For the final steps, let's reinstall everything. First, reconnect all the electrical connectors to the airbag module, making sure each one clicks firmly into place. Then, align the airbag module with the steering wheel and push it back until the retaining clips engage, securing it tightly. Head back to the trunk and reconnect your battery positive terminal first, then the negative. Finally, start your Dodge Charger and check the dashboard for any airbag warning lights. If none appear, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.